Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, hold on. I think the voice. Okay, so yep. Please help me to click like and also share this video, lah. Okay, so that we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, hello Google Monster. Okay, comment on Panda. Okay, looking for resistant. Okay, then Ken. Okay, Marsing SY Group, Return SCG Berhad, MN Holding MGB. Okay. Hello Wong, MBSB UEMS, okay, from Anthony, Tas Fajar, CTOS PPHB, Cupline, Hola, Widat. Hello Joel, okay, review Susbuddy, Singkong, SKB, Emulous, Swish, okay, JT Group, C-Link, Notion, SNS, review HSI 9888, HSI lah. Okay, EPTP, okay, support resistant for RGB, okay, and CC, okay, power well, okay, SSB, still okay, okay, later we review, So before that, please help me to click like and also share this video. Okay, if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this, okay, then later you can join lah, okay. For today's discussion, okay, if I found out any good setup, I will put in the watch list and later on I will share in the Telegram. Okay, so yeah, I will try to write out lah. Okay, if any potential or good case studies. Okay, so today content. Okay, we will go through the market outlook first. Okay, let's warm up first with the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Only follow with the stocks Q and A. Okay, let me know the stocks you might want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for support or resistance. Okay, so yep. Okay, let's go for the disclaimer. All our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, let's go for the Dow Jones first. Okay, so far weekly point of view, Dow Jones is more on neutral, but I would say Dow Jones a little bit weak. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, take note on Dow Jones. Okay, 38 points. 38K and 37.8K. If this level unable to hold, we may see some big sell down on the market. Okay, this is a Dow Jones. And on the other hand, okay, S&P is still strong. Okay, the closing last week considered still good as long as they are above 5255. Nasdaq as well, closed very strong. Okay, as long as they are above 18.4K, I would say, or so far, S&P and Nasdaq is still pretty strong. Okay, only Dow Jones a little bit weak. And take note, this Wednesday, right? Okay, this Wednesday, second half, okay, which is a Thursday Malaysia time now. Okay, 2 a.m., 2:30 a.m. is a FOMC, Fed rate and the press conference. Okay, so this may impact on the market sentiment as well, or as this Wednesday 8:30 got a CPI data. Okay, this may impact on the rate and also the currency things. Then may impact on the market sentiment. Okay, how about the HSI? Okay, HSI for me, in my opinion, is still weak. Okay, in my opinion, they are still weak. Do they not open? Or do they not open? So I would say they are more on, yeah, as long as any pullback lah, okay. 18.4K is their resistance, 18.8K is a R2, unless they can recover back above 18.8K. Okay, otherwise we may see more downside. Probably you may see 17.6K or 17K. Okay, so far HSI is still weak in my opinion. And for the gold price, for me, is not that strong. Okay, last week the price action is pretty bearish, okay, for the weekly point of view. So any pullback, I think, is an opportunity to short lah. Okay, 10 on 2003. Okay, if unable to recover back above 2003, we may see more downside on the gold price. And on the other hand, okay, oil price okay, even though last week closing considered quite bearish, but for me, I would say slightly bearish only. At least you can see by end of week they do have recover. Okay, they do recover back above $75, which makes me think oil price still have potential to bounce up. Okay, from the $75. This is WTI. And for Bitcoin, still neutral, nothing much. I would say they might continue sideways. Okay, they have attempt to break above 72K, but looks like not so successfully. So I expect Bitcoin may go sideways until the next breakout lah. Okay, for Ethereum, I think also neutral lah. I would say the closing weekly point of view are still neutral. Even though they break below 3008, looks like short term not so strong, but based on weekly point of view, I would say they still have potential to go up. Probably these few weeks may go sideways dulu lah. Okay, and our FBMK LCI, I would say weekly point of view is still pretty strong. They bounced from 1006. Okay, so yeah, as long as the price above 1006, we still can remain bullish on the FBMK LCI. Okay, let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, let me see the question. Genting, Vision, VZ1, Catcha, Infotech. Okay, let me see. Okay, can. Okay, let's go for our first Q&A. Is a panda. What is the resistance? Okay, let's see. Okay, you want to lock. Okay, so far panda today got a breakup. Okay, so most importantly, when they retest, okay, 390, okay, they have to stay above 390 lah. So for those who love breakout trade, you still can see these counters lah. Okay, as long as they retrace and stay above 390, I think it's still okay. MACD point of view is still alright. Okay, this is a new counters we can see since last year November until now only. So far they are still trend following. Volumes breakout is still there. So it's still good, okay, because this is a new counters, no resistance now, okay, no resistance to refer. We have to use a Fibonacci to agak lah, okay, so their next resistance would be somewhere around 455 lah. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, it's all right. Okay, so take note on their next resistance, 455, and as long as they don't break below 390, should be still okay lah. Okay, with all the volumes, yeah, hopefully they can stay above 390. And next one is a Marsing. Okay, Marsing is still going up. Okay, so far still in a good shape. Okay, even though 31st of May got a gap down, tapi the next few days market able to recover back. Okay, so Friday is still good. Today more on neutral. Okay, still in the upside lah. Okay, let me see where they want to go rank to. Oh, okay, already all-time high. Yep. Okay, they're already creating the new all-time high. So let me delete those lines below. Okay, 4150. Yeah, so far so good lah. Okay, but in terms of the technical point of view, I would say slightly overbought. Just like that only lah. So psychology level, maybe we still can say it's a 2 ringgit level lah. Yeah, from here I see somewhere around 189, which they already hit lah. So if we put somewhere here is somewhere around, let me see, okay, 207. So maybe I round up for them lah. 205 and 2 ringgit is their next resistance to take note. And if you want to do a trading stop, probably somewhere around 173. As long as the price above 173 should be still okay. But if they go below 173, they may have some correction down to 160 or 150, okay, to clear those short-term player out lah. Okay, but so far they are still quite bullish looking lah. Okay, so if you're already in, yeah, you can plan for the where to take profit and where to protect your position. Okay, get ready. So how about SY Group? Okay, SY Group is still good. Okay, even though for the past, okay, consider last week, they do struggle at 760, but today market open gap out, break above 760, close high, okay, closing price 805. Okay, so you can see back in 2022, they was quite, okay, they are quite volatile lah. So if you're already in, congratulations. So you just take note 760 lah. So long the price above 760 should be okay. But you can take note back in 2022 November. Okay, their peak level was somewhere around 880, 875. Okay, they also have a similar pattern now. Okay, super bullish, suddenly sell down, sideways, wash down. Okay, so yeah, now it's on the way, okay, on the way to previous high, okay, which is somewhere around 880. So yeah, just watch out only lah, okay. As long as they didn't break below your trading stop level, then you still can fight on lah until next resistance, which is somewhere around 880. Okay, how about the red tone? Okay, return today breakout volume ada. Okay, so finally, okay, the previous time they tested was this year February, which is somewhere around 110. So you can see back in 5th of June, 6th of June, they also got go up with volumes, and today finally break above 110. So meaning so long they can stay above 110, this breakout is still considered valid. So their next resistance, oh okay, this is when, okay, 2005, okay, about 10 years ago lah. Okay, 120 is their next resistance, 120, 125. Max lah, max somewhere around 140, okay, which is a 2005 January resistance. Okay, so far I would say the breakout is still valid, the volume still okay, acceptable, momentum still bullet. Okay, as long as they are above 110, should be still alright. Okay, and last defense would be 106. Below 106, basically not so nice already lah. So this red tone also not bad. Okay, can KIV for maybe a breakout trade lah. SCG Berhad. Okay, SCG Berhad is still going up. I would say they are still overbought and overbought. Okay, the price is quite far from the 20 MA. Okay, it's quite far from the 20 MA. So let me see. Yep, already all-time high. Okay, so let me see how can I draw a bigger. Okay, 105 lah. If based on the bigger pictures, they already just break above 760. So their next resistance will be somewhere around 104, 105. Or we can say 1 ringgit to 105 would be their next strong resistance. Okay, so back to the daily charts. Okay, so if you want to do a trading stop, probably you can put at 820. So long the price above 820 should be okay. Okay, so next go for the next one. Let me see this one. Okay, then next one is a MN Holding. Okay, MN Holding is still very strong. Okay, especially last Friday, they open gap up, okay, and break above 830 with volumes. Okay, today another spike up. So far, still bullish lah. Okay, let me see. Yeah, all-time high already. So these counters, wow, nowadays market quite hot lah. So I also a bit worried all counters either create a new all-time high or go back to previous all-time high. So take note for these counters, their next resistance is a 1 ringgit and 103. This is their resistance zone. And if you want to set a trading stop, probably 855 lah. Below 855, maybe not that strong lah. Okay, above 855, short term is still quite strong. And MGB. Okay, this one a bit in liquid. Okay, so yeah, today got volumes so and they do supported above 870. Okay, take note 870 above 870 is still alright. Go below then not so good lah. Take note on their immediate resistance 945 and 1 ringgit. Okay, next one is a MBSB. Okay, MBSB, I would say the retracement is done, and you can see since Thursday the volume kicked in already. Okay, if we just pure based on these few weeks performance, they do have a pull up, wash down. Okay, last 3 trading days they do have volume to pump up. So overall looks like the pullback is over and market may have chance to another upside lah. Okay, do have chance lah to go up further. So maybe take note on 870. As long as they are above 870 should be okay. And take note on the resistance to break, which is a 950. If they are able to break, you only see 1 ringgit and 102 level lah. Okay, after this we go for the UEMS. Okay, UEMS is still in the upside. Okay, so far so good lah. Okay, so far so good lah. So let me see. Yeah, the only thing is MACD looks a little bit divergence only lah. Okay, but I would say as long as they are above 105 should be okay. Okay, overall structure lah. Okay, next one is the TAS. TAS. Okay, TAS. Let me see. Friday. Okay, Wednesday onwards, they do have volumes already. Okay, last Wednesday, they do have volumes supported by the 735 or 750. Okay, only thing is when they pull up the volumes, okay only lah. Okay, tapi overall they are still, I would say, still in a good shape as long as they are above 735. Okay, and today they break 795. So 795 would be your immediate support and resistance 865, 925. Okay, this is a task and Fajar. Let me see. Oh, Fajar is still going up since last Tuesday until now. Okay, everyday volume is still good. Okay, take note on their next resistance 570. Let me see what I put here. Should be using the Fibonacci already this one. Okay, let me try and see. Yep, chun. Okay, can. So their next resistance is a 570, but I would say they are quite bullish and yeah, maybe a little bit overly bought lah. Okay, so yeah, be careful sikit lah. But so far they are still in a good shape lah. Got profit, then can protect some lah. Okay, so CTOS is still okay, just that if we zoom in, the average volumes is okay only, not much volume trading around lah. So I would say they might more on sideways, maybe support 134, resistance 145. They probably go sideways lah. Okay, but chances is still there lah. Okay, momentum still okay. So watchable. Okay, PPHB. Okay, PPHB today recover back above 90 cents, above 915. So consider a good news for that. Okay, they bounced from 50 MA, now above 90 cents. They are trying to recover back above 20 MA. So make sure the price can stay above 90 cents, then should be okay for PPHB. And take note on their next resistance 980 and 1 ringgit lah. Okay, Hubline. Okay, Hubline is a penny stocks. Okay, so these counters, I would say is a super high risk because it's a penny counters. So today got pumped out with volumes after consolidate, okay, sideways for about 3 to 4 years. Okay, the last time they have a spike was somewhere around 2020 July. Okay, you can see here 2020 June, July they do have a spike out. After that, wash down, they sideways until today. So we can say Hubline, these counters sideways for so long, finally got volume pump out. If happen, they can go up further. Take note on the 2020 resistance, which is somewhere around 0.09. Okay, so yeah, they do have a risk. If they wash down, they might continue sideways for a couple of years. Okay, so technical point of view, yeah, of course they have a volumes. Ini cannot lah. So the MACD cannot read lah. Too difficult to read. Okay, so other volume. So take note on your next resistance 0.09. Okay, when all penny stocks also come, you also can agak-agak our market may come to an end soon. Okay, for WeDot. Okay, Friday today also got some volumes pump in, but these counters you can see back in January they just had a big sell down. So even can go up, I would say just a rebound trade because too many victims over here. So maybe they when on the way bounce up, people want to break evens or reduce their losses. So when on the way up, they will face a lot of challenges. Okay, so take note on the next resistance 115 and 165. Okay, but I would say not so light lah. Okay, so how about the SAS body? Okay, this is a somebody. SAS body. Okay, these counters, penny counters also below 20 cents counters. Okay, so far structural point of view, yep, they do have some structure, especially volumes also acceptable. Okay, back in April until now also okay lah, the volumes. Okay, pump out sideways. Okay, today also ada volume pump out, tapi they unable to clear this level 180. Okay, so why? You can see back in January they also tested. Okay, 180 was their support. Okay, now turn into resistance. Okay, so for this one, if you're still interested, okay, make sure the price don't go below 165. Okay, above 165 still ada chance sikit, tapi below 165 no game. Okay, because I see here most of the volumes are transacted over here. Okay, tapi if they go below 165 basically not nice already lah. Okay, this could be a distribution already. Tapi if the price above 165 also means that they want to defend the price lah. Oh, so yep, take note 165 below, close below then not so nice Okay, how about Sing Kong? Sing Kong new counters. Okay, new counters I not really can comment too much because my accuracy on them would be super low already. Okay, technical point of view, we only can see 15th of May until today, 10th of June. Okay, less than a month only. So what we can see from here is first day IPO got volume pump in then they sideway no volumes. Today break up with volumes. Okay, closing price 180. So technical point of view, yes, indeed they do have some chance Okay, take note on your support 165, 155. Okay, below 155, no game. Okay, so wow, I see the views in Facebook not many people so please help me to click like and also share so we can get more viewers to join in. Okay, market so hot. Okay, we need more viewers also lah. Okay, so next one is a review SKB shutter. Okay, at the volume pump out so okay, SKB today break out above 750 with volumes. Okay, even though the closing I would say slightly bullish only because by end of day macam got a little bit profit taking activities lah. Okay, let me see 50-minute charts. Okay, 9 a.m. onwards already break out. Then they sideway whole day nothing much. So take note next few days the price. Okay, maybe I need to put down to about 730. Okay, as long as the price can stay above 730 should be okay. Okay, and take note on their next resistance level is somewhere around 850. So this one we can say is a breakout trade. So okay, next one is a Emulus. Okay, hold on Okay, Emulus so far nothing much. Okay, so back in last Thursday they do have a huge volume. Tapi you can see Friday and today market not really going anywhere. So looks like they still indecisive lah. Okay, Thursday they do have a huge volume. Looks like a sell down. Tapi not really have any big selling pressure. So I would say still neutral, but chances is still there. Okay, as long as they don't break below 340. Emulus still watchable lah. Okay, if break below then not so nice Okay, how about the Taylor Shift? Okay, Shift they have a breakout back in beginning of June Okay, now more like they are retesting the support. Okay, so we can see the yellow zone is a resistance, right? So they break out here. Okay, they jalan a little bit. Now come back to retest the support zone. Okay, resistance turn support. So make sure the price stay above 565. Then should be okay lah. As long as above 565, the breakout we can say is still consider valid. Okay, still okay lah. Okay, next one is a JT Group Wow. Okay, JT Group. Last Friday they do have a good volume pump out. Oh, this one I remember last Wednesday we just review only, right? So I do commented, macam okay then next day they jalan sikit lah, breakout 345. Then Friday the rules break out above 380 and now jalan already. So if we miss out then skip lah. Tapi if you have follow then congratulations. So based on this one, okay, if we project next resistance somewhere around 545, 555 let me see, 545 or 555. Okay we take both lah. 545 and 555. Okay, take note, this is their next resistance based on the FIBO projection Okay, 545, 555. And for their immediate support, I need to use the 50-minute charts to agak-agak somewhere around 460. Okay, 460. Yep. As long as the price above 460, I guess it's still okay lah. Tapi if very close to the next resistance. Okay, if you're already in, this is your partial profit level. Okay, if you just plan to go in, no lah, too late already. Okay, how about the ceiling? Okay, ceiling breakout on 31st of May. Okay, break above the 265. Then now is more on, okay, last Thursday do have a high volume pump in, tapi not really follow up on Friday and today. Okay, more on some profit taking activities lah. Okay, for their immediate support, I would say somewhere around 30 cents. Stay above is still alright. Okay, and yeah, do take note. They do like to build a high-rise building like this. Okay, so they could do a big pump and a big dump. Okay, you can see this is their character lah. Back in 2020 also the same. 2021 also the same. Okay, so recently they diam already. Then 2024 another building. Okay, so I don't know where they will pump lah, but at least you know these counters, they have many pump and dumps activity. Not only 2020. You can see back in 2014 also the same. 10 years ago. Okay, so yep, this time I don't know lah. Tapi yeah, you need to agak know lah. Break below where you need to cabut loh. Okay, so how about the Notion? Okay, Notion so far still alright. Okay, a small retracement only. Then today pump out with volume as well. I need to delete those line. Support 140. Okay, I would say very, very bullish and overbought. Yes. Okay, what happened back in 2020? Okay, also the same. Build. Okay, pump out, then dump down. Okay, previously back in 2020, they do pump all the way to 2 ringgit over. Okay, maybe around 230 as well. So take note. Okay, this is their hard resistance, or we can say this is their extreme level. Okay, this is where at the moment is a maximum level they could visit. Okay, at the moment the price is about 155. What we need to do is do a trading stop only lah. Okay, I need to go back to this state. Okay, so take note on 140. As long as the price above 140, the momentum all should be still alright. But if they break below 140, they may go to the, I think should be somewhere around 120 already. By the time 20 MA should be follow lah. Okay, so above 140, the short-term momentum should be still very, very strong. Okay, last defense is 120 lah. Below 120, I think the trend is over. Okay, so Notion and SNS, some more bullish until I also don't know how to comment. Okay, SNS, okay, they face some rejection already. So take note on this zone. Okay, what we can see here. Shooting star, right? Okay, high volume here also. Okay, looks like this is the hard resistance for them. Okay, they macam not really able to clear lah. 675 and 70 cents. Okay, if they are still unable to break out, I think they may come back down to test the support, probably somewhere around 60 cents or 575. Okay, HSI covered already. I would say they are still weak lah. Okay, how about the Baidu? Okay, Baidu still not really in a good shape. Just a rebound. Previously rebound to 200 MAs, then kena press down already. Now, if you think, I would say technical point of view, they are still weak. But if you think this is a potential bottoming, you take note on $91. Okay, $91, $92 is the one of the support zone. Okay, which I think the chances of breaking down is there. But if you want to try bottoming, this is a level you can consider lah. Maybe bounce up to $100, then continue sell down. Okay, overall they are still weak. Okay, they are still weak. Okay, TP, EP, EPTP for RGB. Red, green, blue. Okay, this one is still good Okay, they broke above 40 cents, right? Which was last year August resistance. Okay, they broke above, then supported quite well at 20 MA. Today, lagi ada volume supported. Okay, bounce from the 20 MA. So I would say they are still pretty good lah. Okay, so support is a 410 now. Okay, stay above 410 should be okay. And next resistance. Let me see any chance. Oh, they are at the resistance. Okay, this is a level back in 2004, 2007. Okay, which is about 20 years ago resistance. 460. Okay. So based on current structure, I guess the chances of breaking up is there. Okay, due to the structure, or I guess it's still bullish lah. Okay, so yeah, we need to use a projection already. 1, 2, okay, can 540. Okay, if they are able to break and close above 460, next level 50 cents, 540. Okay, so next one is the okay lah. So RGB, I would say still have potential, even though they are quite overbought. Okay, how about the power well? Okay, breakout above 505. Okay, even though previously have a how to say pressure, okay, selling pressure at this zone. Finally they break above. So I put 50 cents. Okay, so long the price above 50 cents, okay, then still okay lah. Then next resistance 570. Wow, market super bullish macam ini. All go so high. This one also SSB. Okay, went out so much. Okay, finally sideways for about 2 weeks already lah. 1 to 2 weeks. So these counters make sure the price can stay above 650, then should be okay. But I would say, pretty bullish. And their common resistance should be somewhere around 80 cents, 790. Okay, this is a resistance back in 2017 until 2020. Okay, on average, you can see they're not really able to clear this line, which is somewhere around 790. And if lucky, they can push out further. Next resistance is 870. Okay, as long as they don't go below 650, maybe the momentum is still there lah. Okay, so yep, be careful sikit also lah. Okay, Ramzo last Friday got a shooting star light candle, and today neutral, nothing much. So okay, they just break out also lah. Okay, let me delete those line at bottom. So what we can see on Ramzo. Okay, this is a 2022. Okay, now it's a 2024. So this is a resistance, and we can see Ramzo has been in this range sideway for so many years. Okay, finally break up. Okay, so break up, maybe they might come back to retest the support lah. So probably we can put a 540, 520, 50 cents as the support zone. Okay, if they retrace supported, I guess it's still okay lah. Based on these 2 days candle, I guess they have a high chance to come back to retest the support. Okay, if the support can get supported, okay, I guess it's still alright. Okay, tapi if they go below 50 cents, then not nice lah. Okay, it's a trap already. Okay, MN holding covered already. Let me see. Next one is what? BMG VS. Okay, thank you. Okay, enjoying listening to your Facebook Live. Very interesting and very informative. So please help me to click like and also share as well lah. Okay, let's go for the VS first. Okay, so far so good. So far so bullish. Okay, and the price is quite far from the 20 MA, I would say. Okay, let me see. Momentum is still alright. Okay, so if we zoom out, take note on the 112 level. Okay, which was the support resistance level. Okay, back in 2022. Okay, so this is the resistance to take note. So far so good lah, I would say. Okay, yeah, momentum is still okay. So these counters, as long as they are above 104, I think it's still okay. So if they are able to break through 112, then you can see 120 already lah. Okay, 120 130 somewhere like that. Okay, tapi these counters also have the potential from sideway, okay, downtrend sideway to uptrend. Okay, looks like lah, they are turning up. So most importantly, cannot go below 1 ringgit. Okay, but for short term trade, you can see 106 or 104. Okay, still okay lah. Okay, I think in this 2024 still watchable lah. Okay, unless go below 1 ringgit, then no game lah this one. Okay, next one is the BMG. BMG cover already or not? BM Green. Okay, this one, if not mistaken, I do share these counters in my YouTube back then. Okay, when the price was somewhere around here lah. Okay, then they already break out above 138 145. So yep, 145 was the resistance back in 2021. Now go up all the way to 178. Crazy this one. Oh, back in 2014, they also have a big pump, then a big gap down. Okay, not really can relate, cannot use back then punya chart already, sudah koyak. So we can use the Fibo to agak-agak on the next resistance, 194. Okay. So far, if you want to do a trading stop, probably you can put somewhere around 165. Make sure the price above 165 should be okay lah. Okay, if tomorrow another candle go up, then you move your trading stop up. Okay, so yep, still okay, but I would say overbought also lah. Okay, how about my EG? So far market macam super hot without any healthy retracement also. Okay, my EG is more on sideways at the moment as they already went up so much. Okay, from about 80 cents now is about 106 like that. Okay, so yep, they also already at the 2021 November resistance. Okay, this is a 2021 resistance as well. So somewhere around 110, sorry. 110, if they can continue goes up. Okay, this is when 2018. Okay, if you know what happened, then you know lah. Okay, 2018 May, after a weekend, they do have a big gap down lah. Okay, if you know, you know. Okay, so take note, if they are able to break through 110, next resistance 119, which is a gap resistance, they yet to fill the gap. Okay, 119, 135. Okay, if you know, you know. Okay, so far, yeah, they looks like recovering lah. From sideways go into uptrend already. So yeah, this one still potential lah. Just that their movement is a bit slow ni. Okay, pharma on the other hand, okay, pharma in my opinion they are still not that strong. Okay, even they bounce I think just a rebound tentatively. Okay. They keep pressure by 200 MAs and also somewhere around 40 cents I will say. Okay, so maybe they need some time. Okay, maybe I put somewhere around 355. Okay, 355. As long as they are above 355, maybe still got chance to retest 40 cents or break above 40 cents lah. Okay, Avalan. Okay, Avalan is still in the upside. So far, so good. Nothing wrong. Okay, so they just recover back above 365. And most importantly, 345. Okay, above 345 should be okay. And Evergreen. Evergreen sudah jalan a lot loh. Okay, I do share these counters back then somewhere around here lah when the price here. Right, so recently they break above 320, break above 340. Okay, these 3 days is more on diam, tapi it's still alright. Okay, but if you just plan to go in, because our immediate resistance is 375 lah, so your upside could be limited. Okay, because risk reward ratio lah. Okay, so take note on your resistance 375. Unless they can break through, we only can see 40 cents, 425 lah, somewhere like that. Okay, so as long as they are above 340, should be okay. Okay, so if happen they have some correction, okay, or some small sell down, maybe to 350 level, you can see with your cut loss below 340. Okay, below 340, then the breakout consider invalid already. Okay, next one is a LHI. Okay, LHI. Okay. Okay, they do have a high volume on 6th of June. Okay, breakout 60 cents. Okay, next day break above 635. Today also neutral lah. Okay, so far I would say they are still okay lah. Okay, volume wise still acceptable. Momentum MACD is still alright. Okay, so because previously they do have a gap down. Okay, back in 28th of February. So if happen they can go up. This is a gap they need to fill, which is somewhere around 70 cents. Okay, as long as they didn't go below 625, I would say they still have a momentum lah. Okay, if below 625, they may come back down to retest 60 cents level. Then means they may take more times lah. Okay, JAX is a penny counters. Okay, last Friday already have volume pump in. Today hit resistance lah. Okay, 175. Okay, which was a support back then. Okay, and also is a gap resistant, and also is a 200 MAs at 180. So you can see they have a multiple resistance here. 175 180 is a resistant. Okay, tapi the volume is still good lah, I would say. Okay, so if they retrace down, didn't go below 155, then should be okay. So take note on 155. Okay, hello Freddy. Keyfield. Okay, let me see. Okay, new counters back in April. So less than 2 months lah. Okay, 1 month plus only these counters. Okay, so far you can see back end of May until now, they not really going anywhere. Okay, take note on their important support. Okay, 230227. Okay, stay above, still okay. The structure is still okay. Tapi go below 227, then not so nice lah. Okay, new counters lah. Okay, how about the Synergy? Synergy also went out so much, tapi the MACD already shows some weakening. So this counters take note on 147, 148 lah. Okay, 148 lah. Okay, go below 148 memang no good. Stay above, still ada chance. Okay, tapi also new counters last year. Okay, so about 1 year ago ni So yep, above 148 still okay. Below 148 not so okay lah. Okay, how about MK Land? Okay, penny as well. Okay, high volume on Friday. Okay, so Thursday, Friday, they do have volume slowly pump in. Today's more profit taking. Okay, interesting lah for me. Okay, even though this is a penny counters, tapi the volume's quite interesting. Even today with a small sell, tapi the volume is low. So I would say still alright. So if happen, yeah, most likely this kind of counters they might sideway very long one. So if you you need to have a patient lah. Okay, tapi structure point of view, I would say they still have a potential. Okay, just matter of time. Okay, if they one day go below 220, then consider not so nice already lah. Below 220, not so nice. Then last defense is 20 cents. Okay, below 20 cents is confirm no good already. Okay, so Mala off. Still can hold. Sorry. Okay, Mala off. Okay, so we can see they have a high volume on Thursday. Friday breakout above 80 cents. Today another pump out. Okay, so if we zoom out, what we can see, they finally break above 2020 August, September resistance, right? So resistance turn support. Take note on 795, 80 cents. Okay, this is your support level. Okay, so as long as they didn't close below 795, the breakout is still considered valid. And their next resistance, if we base on here, is somewhere around 875. Okay, this is a level back in 2016. Okay, 875, 950. Okay, R1, R2. Okay, as long as they didn't break below 795, I guess still okay lah. Okay, so yep, if you are unsure, maybe you can take partial profit first lah. Okay, tapi if you have profit to fight, then you make sure the price above 795. Okay, so depends. Okay, how about the McLean? Okay, washed down previously, bounced from 50 MA, recover back above 20 MA. So I guess it's still okay lah. Okay, it's still okay. So maybe 50 MA, we can say 250. Okay, the trend is still there, just that these counters personally not so light lah. Okay, I feel it's quite illiquid. Macam the boss sendiri play only. Okay, what is the support resistance for Pestec? Okay, Carol. Okay, let me see. Okay, this one also have potential bottoming trade. Okay, so also watch this. So these counters for the MACD point of view, they already not so bearish. At least you can see they are no longer that bearish. And recently have volumes lah. Okay, Thursday, Friday, and today other volume slowly come up. Okay, recover above 20 cents, recover above 20 MA. So yeah, if we base on previous pattern, maybe here or here or here, okay. If happen, they can bounce up. Maybe we can see somewhere around here, 250. And if lucky, 200 MAs lah, 275. So this one is a potential bottom fishing only. Okay, potential rebound trade. Okay, tapi if they go below 20 cents, sorry, no game lah. Huh? If below 20 cents, no game. So for your immediate support, maybe somewhere around 210 215 should be okay with your cut loss below 20 cents. Okay, tapi when you cut loss, you must know it's about 10% risk lah. Oh, so your size need to be small lah. Okay, otherwise very painful. Okay, how about the YTL power? Still going nowhere. Okay, still diam. Okay, make sure the price above 485. Okay, above 485, still okay. Okay, how about the Infotech? Okay, Infotech so far still supported 765, 775. So make sure the price above 765 should be okay. Tapi trend point of view, you can see these counters. Okay, last year, January until now. Okay, yeah. Okay, the price, okay, just trading within a range only. 720, 880. Okay, just go sideways. So, yep, for capital appreciation wise, I would say neutral lah, more on sideways. Okay, they are not doing uptrend or downtrend, so more on sideways now. And most importantly, 720 cannot break. Break then not nice lah. Okay, Catcha. Let me see. Catcha still okay. They still above 365. And someone today got volume pump out. Okay, they are trying to break above 200 MAs. Okay, if successfully, next level 430. So this one, I would say with the volumes, Catcha. Okay, Catcha. Okay, as long as the above 365 should be okay. Vision 1. Okay, penny counters. Recently, Brusa many penny counters come already. Other volumes already. So could be a last few wave already. Okay, not yet lah, not so soon lah. Tapi be careful sikit lah. Okay, so far we can see end of May until now they do have some volume come in. Tapi structure wise, I would say they are still in a sideways mood. Okay, this one technically usually very difficult to read one. Okay, so I would say they will continue sideways as long as above 45. Okay, 45 lah, then should be still alright lah. Okay, so Genting. Let me see. Aiyo, 468 already. For me, Genting not that strong. Tapi 468 would be your immediate support. Okay, if you want to get a lower level, okay, which is somewhere around 455, 450. Okay, it's a support zone, a better support zone for Genting. Okay, because short-term point of view, I feel the chances of breaking down below 468 is there. Okay, how about the SIM? SIM also started to turn weak. Okay, they already broke 20 and 50 MA. Okay, so for these counters, probably we can wait somewhere around here. 260. Okay, see any chance when they retest 260. TAS TAS we cover already. We go for the FSBM. Oh, this is my trade plan already hit a resistance 430. Oh, memang cantik no hit no hits stop loss. Okay, this one they actually already hit a 430 level and retest a support 365. If you are still interested, yeah, make sure the price stay above 365 lah. Current price 385. So maybe 380 375 you can see lah with your cut loss below 365. Okay, Chengdu. Chengdu macam okay. Chengdu still potential bottoming Okay, momentum all still okay. Okay, make sure Chengdu make sure the price can stay above 30 cents. Okay, if can stay above 30 cents should be alright. And if happen they bounce up, take note on 340. Okay, this is their resistance. Barbie Bank is still weak. You can see they are still within the downtrend channel, right? So I would say short term point of view, I feel they are still not that strong lah. Okay, here so all resistant. But if speaking about the support, 410 and 4 ringgit. Okay, 410, 4 ringgit is the support for Public Bank. Sorry, not Chengdu already. Coraza. Okay, Coraza I think is quite interesting. Okay, today are the volumes. So you can see they hit 60 cents. Okay, previously unable to clear, then retest the support 540. Retest twice. Okay, it's still alright. Okay, so far they didn't break below lah. So I think Coraza is still okay lah. As long as they are above 540 okay, watchable lah. Okay, watchable. Then MACD point of view is more neutral. Okay, these counters they have been down for about 1 year lah. Okay, last year June, May or June onwards, they already broke below 200 MAs. Then recently they climb back. Okay, go above 200 MAs already. As long as they are above 540, yeah, I think it's still okay. Okay, Renzo no game, Renzo still okay. Just that I think they might have some wash down first lah before going up. Okay, WCT still going up. Review. Okay, high volume breakout on 6th of June. Then the next 2 days continuous spike up. Let me see anything. Okay, at least we have some resistance to take note. Okay, this is a 2019 level. Okay, here they do have a gap down back in 2018. So this level we also need to respect 109 and also 116. Okay, this is a level to respect. Today closing is about 910. So 1 ringgit also is a psychology level to take note. Okay, so far they are still bullish lah. So when they retest 790, okay, make sure the price stay above 790, then should be alright. Okay, then yeah, maybe the next few days if they go sideways, I think still alright lah. So long they are above 790, then pending for the breakout, then you only take note 1 ringgit, 1 ringgit, 109, 116. Okay, so far still okay. Okay, maybe you can set a trading stop loss 790. Okay, close below, then you take profit cabut loh. Okay, McLean covered already. Highly okay, quite illiquid back then. Okay, W recently they have some volumes lah. So this counter support 495. Resistance 560. So okay, for me it's quite illiquid. Technical point of view, I will avoid these counters Tapi if you're still interested, yeah, make sure the price above 545 lah, then it should be alright. Okay, Iris, Saipak, Swift. Iris can enter very susah to enter They macam don't have any retracement Okay, I need to wait for them to have some wash down only there to go in otherwise very risky to chase If happen they have some retest 40 cents, then you can see lah. Okay, Saipak Sepak macam ada volumes let's see. Okay, still okay. Watch list. Yes lah. Okay, Sepak, you can see previously they washed down to 200 MAs level, which is somewhere around 885.90 cents. Today market open gap up, closing 940. So I guess they still have some potential lah. At least today got volume pump in. MACD started to cross over, so it's still interesting. Okay, as long as they don't go below 885 lah. Or Sepak is still watchable. And watch out on their next resistance 990 and 1 ringgit level. Okay, shift covered already. We go for the Pansa. Pansa is quite in liquid counters. Okay, recently break below 200 MAs. Okay, started to try. Okay, started to form a bottoming lah. Form potential bottoming. So volumes are dark. Okay, so but for me, I not so light lah. You can see these counters. February last year, pump and dump. Now you see in between these counters, 2021 also pump and dump, and 2020 also have a pump and dump. Here also same, 2018 also. So these counters, you know their character already lah. If you're still interested, okay, make sure the price stay above 565. Then okay lah. Okay, how about the ECA? ECA. Okay, ECA recently at the volume looks like they are building a good, okay, or potential bottoming lah, right? So volume wise, I think it's still pretty healthy, and MACD point of view, I think it's still alright. So this one, yeah, I think ECA EP430, yeah, I think it's still good. Okay, just that. Okay, this is their resistance. 465 is their resistance. Okay, unless tomorrow they can break through, then you only can see 505 530 level. Okay, otherwise if they are unable to clear, they might come back, wash down to 40 cents. Okay, tapi I was based on what I see here, I think they do have potential to break out lah. Okay, with the volumes, hopefully they can close above 465. Then should be safe lah for you. Okay, Coraza covered already. We go for the DXN. DXN. Okay, DXN new counters back in last year May, so it's about 1 year plus only lah, these counters. So all this while you can see since day one until now, the trend is more on sideway only lah. Okay, so 655 is their immediate support, and their hard resistance is somewhere around 70 cents. Okay, and recently they do have volume pump in back in end of April until now. Average volumes increase, okay, or improve lah. Okay, so yeah, hopefully this one can help them go up further lah. Okay, so 655 is their immediate support, and if they go below 635, no game lah. Okay, this one I think also interesting lah. Can put in the watch list to see look lah. How about the JAXI? JAX. JAX cover already. Rebound only. Okay. IFCA. Whoa. Today another pump. Okay. So IFCA, what we can see here. Actually, they also happened many times already here. Okay, if I put the lines here. Okay, not so obvious. You can see they pump out. Sideways. Okay, breakout, pump out, sideways. Now breakout, 560, another pump out. Okay, super bullish lah. Okay, still super bullish. And if we go up further, okay, this is where 2015 GST if not mistaken. Last time GST team, okay, they are quite bullish one. Okay, the day after GST, they gonna sell down already. 675. Okay, resistance back in 2016. Okay, support 2015, 725. Okay, 675, 725 would be their next resistance, and the main one 875. Too far already. So we target. Okay, we see here first 675 first. Okay, so since they break out 560. So make sure the price stay above 60 cents. 595 lah. Okay, as long as the price above 595, I would say they are still pretty bullish. Okay, then next resistance is a 675, 725. Okay, then if go below 560, memang not nice already. Okay, so King. Okay, Sun Surya 主力在哪里? Okay, let's see. Sun Surya 主力 resistant. Oh, finally breakout. Okay, this one last week we just review. I think in the YouTube. So yeah, Thursday share, Friday nothing. Today breakout 535. So make sure the price stay above 535. So the next resistance will be somewhere around 605. Okay, but in between, take note this level 575, 605. Okay, R1, R2, PWF. Okay, only gap down 31st, then they recover back. Okay lah. Okay, PWF resistant 880, they need to clear. Only other story. Otherwise, this is their resistant 880. Okay, hello Patrick. Okay, EDEL. Ada EL here. Okay, EDEL today market open gap out, close high, closing price 520. Okay, 520 So go up, retrace, go up. So the trend continue. Okay, so 50 cents is their immediate support. Okay, and take note on their next resistance 545, 60 cents. So this one EDEL. Okay, let me write down. Okay, so next one, Gtronic. Let's see. Okay, I run out of time, so but I try my best cover as much as possible. Okay, Gtronic high volume come out on 5th of June, 6th of June. Okay, Friday and today is more on neutral. Okay, but I think they are still solid. Okay, still at the chance lah. Okay, as long as the closing price above 140, I think they still ada intention to pump up. Okay, momentum all favor to them. So hopefully the price can remain above 140. Okay, below 140 then susah a bit already lah. Okay, my EG cover ready. We go for the MFLA. Okay, MFLA is still okay lah. Okay, still okay. Bounce from 20 MA. So far, slowly climb back. Okay, so yep, still okay lah. Okay, 780, 740. Okay, don't go below 740, then okay already. Okay, this one MFLA is still okay. Revenue. Okay, revenue is still in a sideways mode, but I would say it's still interesting. Okay, still watchable. Just that they need some time lah. Okay, so the last time they had a high volume is this date when they attempt to break above 245, 250. After that, you can see basically not much volumes lah. So I would say they are more on sideways now. Okay, until something trigger them lah. So this one you need some time lah. Okay, you need to give them time and be more patient. So they could sideways for another few weeks. Okay, or few days lah, until something happen. Okay, they very need to break above 250. Baru ada story. You can see they also attempt this time, second time. Okay, they attempt 2 times already, still unable to break through. So you can see this time they attempt, fail, they sideways for a few months. This time fail also, they maybe lah, or maybe also will sideways for a few months. But on the structural point of view, I think they still ada chance lah. Okay, Ibraco. Okay, I need to skip lah. Some. Okay, this one at resistance zone 114, 116. Okay, take note lah. They already tested a few times already, unable to go through. Okay, Yong Tai Tai. Let me see Yong Tai Tai. Okay, Friday ada volumes. Okay, today also ada volumes, but take note on 30 cents level, which is a 200 MAs level. Okay, 200 MAs resistant. If they can clear, only see 360 low. This is a Yong Tai. Cloud Point. CloudPoint is still okay lah, huh? Especially Friday got volume supported at 730, and lucky thing, they didn't break below 70 cents, so which is a good news for CloudPoint. So yep, interesting, still alright. Okay, don't go below 70 cents, should be okay lah. Okay, OSK, let me see where here. OSK high sell on 31st of May, tapi they retest 155, so far nothing much lah. Okay, the whole June, the average volume not much. I would say more on neutral. Okay, as long as they are above 155, should be still alright. But short term, I see not so strong lah. Okay, how about Superlink? Superlink still okay lah. Okay, breakout on 6th of June. Retest support, so far supported. Okay, these 2 days more on neutral. Okay, but I see, yeah, as long as they are above 133, should be alright for Superlink. How about Genetech? Okay, Genetech is still okay. They are still above 200 MAs. Momentum is still alright. Most importantly, Genetech cannot go below 200 MAs lah, cannot go below 220. Okay, below 220, not nice. Okay, above 220, I guess they are still have potential to bounce out further, probably to 250 or 270 level. Okay, Scopnet picking up. This one, they very good in washing machine. Okay, previously they memang wash down all the way to 138, 140. Some more break below 138. Then the next day recover back. Okay, memang a stop hunt. So Thursday, Friday, they do have volume to pump out. And today, more on neutral. I would say still neutral. So based on this lesson, at least we know 136 is their extreme level. Okay, as long as above 136 should be okay. So yeah, they memang go out there, come back to retest here. Okay, so yep, still ada potential lah. Still okay. So next resistance is about 150, 152. Sunview hit resistance, not really able to go through the 200 MAs, which is somewhere around 715 720 level. Okay, today sell down a bit, strong volumes. Okay, take note on 680, 660 as your support. Okay, then KUB lah. Let's see. Wow. Okay, today KUB open gap up, break above 775 already. Okay, this is the resistance back in 2007, which is 930. Okay, so take note on their next resistance, 930. And as long as they are above 820 lah, I take middle lah. As long as they are above 820, I think the momentum should be still fine. Okay, K1 let me see. K1 penny counters. Okay, K1 at resistance 190, 195. Okay, take note, this is their resistance. Unless they can close above 195, meaning the closing price 20 cents lah, then they have more upside loh. Otherwise, if unable to go through 195, they might continue sideways like that. Okay, how about the QES? Okay, QES is still okay. Can break resistance. They already break 70 cents. Already break 730. Okay. But if speaking about another extreme level is a 755 lah. I think they do have potential to touch. Okay. Can break or not, we need to see lah. Okay. Once they can clear 755, next level 795. Okay. This is a level back in 2021. Okay, so far, yeah, I think they are still okay lah. Okay, as long as they are above 70 cents, the momentum should be still alright. Okay, Jack's cover ready. Let's go for the D-Sonic. Okay, D-Sonic recently have a good spike out. Okay, today more on the small profit taking. Okay, the volume is low, so I guess nothing much to worry. Okay, I guess they might come back down to test the support lah. Probably somewhere around 540. Okay, 540. So, yep. Yeah, because they also break here, resistance turn support. So, take note on 540. Okay. Overall structure, I guess they are still okay. Okay, they are still okay. Okay, next one. SEG cover ready. JCY, I think at the resistance. Let me see. Wow, JCY. Okay, JCY at resistance. 660. Okay, today closing 665. Okay, 660 is somewhere around 2020 punya resistance. Okay, if they can go up further, okay, their next strong resistance is somewhere around 750 already lah. Okay, so far I would say they are quite overly bought. Okay, overly bought. Okay, next one is a Ren Hill. I also wonder how is the performance. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, finally Thursday break above 150. Today closing 170. Let me see any all-time high. Yeah, they already all-time high lah. Okay, so I need to use a projection. 178. Okay, so their next resistance 178. Okay, next one is Sendai. Sendai not so strong already. Short term point of view lah. Okay, take note 60 cents. Okay, if below then they may go to 50 cents level. Okay, unless they can recover back above 680, then different story lah. Okay, solution can bottom catch Let me see Macam nothing yet. Okay, nothing yet. Give them some time. Okay, then how about the pharma? Pharma cover already, right? Pharma, yeah, pharma cover already. Overall, they are still weak. Okay, make sure the price can stay above 355 lah. Or above 355, maybe still got potential to retest again. Okay, some retest 40 cents Some churn. Take note 590 lah. 590. If stay above 590, still ada chance. Go below, then no chance. Okay, unique. Okay, unique rebound from 295 290 and take note on your resistance 340. Okay, so far, yeah, I guess it's still alright. Okay, still okay. How about the Wong? Wong Fei Hong. Okay, Wong retest support 335. High volume on 6th of June. Okay, so far I think it's still okay lah, Wong. Okay, still okay. Okay, I need to skip some. EDEL cover already, unique cover already, EcoVest. Okay, today belum cakap this one. Okay, EcoVest, if we look back on previous support zone, okay, back in last year lah. Support here, go up. So far, they support here, go up. Okay, tapi these two times macam not much strength to go up already lah. Okay, so for EcoVest, most important is a 435 must hold. Okay, if they go below 435, memang no good lah. And if happen, they can go up. Yeah, indeed, these 2 to 3 trading days, they do have higher volume pump in. Okay, so their immediate support would be 460. Tapi if they are able to go up, I think they also face some challenges at the 200 MAs level, which is somewhere around 490 lah. Okay, so I suspect this is bounce out lah, maybe 480 490 level only. Okay, Jantak. Okay, new counter, so far so good. 50 cents still supported. Okay, recover back. So I guess still alright. Okay, still alright, this one. So maybe can watch this also lah, Okay, Avalanche cover ready. Shift and Unique cover ready. VS also cover ready. Eon. Let me see Okay, still alright. Okay, break above 140. 140 supported. And turn on their next resistance here, 154 lah. 153, 152. Okay, 152, which is a 2022 resistance. Okay, so far volume all I think okay, still okay for Eon. Oh, a bit chuan already. Okay, D-Sonic cover already. Unique cover already. Oh, Jax, why so many people like covered many times already I would say yeah, they have volumes lah, they bounce up lah, but they add the resistance also lah, 175, 180. Okay, unless they can clear, then different story. Tapi you can see this Jax okay, I'm not sure why so many people like. Okay, tapi you can see all this while since when 2021 onwards okay. I close all the lines you can see every time they pump out, still unable to go through. Pump out, still unable to go through. Okay, every time pump out, they will continue sell down. Okay, the orange line is a 200 MAs. You can see here 2023 last year also. Here also macam mai already. Last year September macam mau already, tapi also fail. Then today again. So I feel lah, okay, here is a place for you at least protect partial profit lah. Okay, in case they also pump out to 200 MAs, then continue sell down. Okay, so for them to turn around, at least you wait for them to pump out, retrace, maybe get supported, you only get in. Okay, would be safer lah. Otherwise, could be just a pump out, then continue wash down. Okay, I don't want you to get this trap lah. Later, very susah to go out also. Okay, how to join my Telegram group So my Telegram group is here lah. So yep, you just screenshot it. Okay, later you join lah. Not so active, but tapi yeah, I will try to post something lah. Okay, so how about the Penta? Okay, let's go Wakanda forever this one. Penta forever. Oh, Penta is still alright They break above 200 MAs. Okay, recently break above 485 and they are heading to 5 ringgit level. So, yep, this one Naku Penta still okay lah. Money Okay, let's go for the MI. MI is still alright as well. Okay, me is still okay lah, me. Let me see anything I can refer. They already broke above 238, so their next resistance will be 280 level Okay, so far so good. As long as they are above 238 I would say still alright lah. Okay, Mr. DIY. Tada! Okay still okay lah, Mr. DIY. Okay, stay above 180, break above 188. So next level, 2 ringgit lah. As long as they are above 188, they are still okay. Okay, so unique still can hold still okay lah, still okay. I cannot say still can hold lah, but I would say the structure is still okay. Okay. And yeah, hopefully they can break above 340, then only got more upside lah. Okay, so Optimax. Resistance 695.70 cents is their resistance. Okay, so far recently pump out with volumes. Yeah, if they retest 660 and stay above, I think it's still okay. Okay, so many. I choose one for Thomas. Okay, Rojas let me guess. Rojas still in a sideway boring juga Rojas. Volumes? Not so much. Okay, nothing much. Okay, maybe take note on 355 as your immediate support. Also is a gap lah. Okay, go below 335, then not nice Okay, potential support for DNEX. Okay, DNEX if interested 450, 455, you can CC lah, CC look lah. Okay, so we can see on 5th of June they have a high volume pump out, But the next 3 days is more on the small profit taking lah. Okay, volume is low, so I guess still fight above as long as they are above 450. Okay, how about the Kobe? Okay, Kobe a little bit weak as they break below 220 already. Take note on 2 ringgit lah. Is a more crucial support for Kobe. Okay, 2 ringgit. Okay, then I need to skip until maybe Hata. We go for the growth counters. See how it's going. Ta-da! Okay, they wash down. They recover back above 20 MA. Volume wise, boleh tahan lah. Okay, today's more sell down, tapi volume is low, so I guess Hata is still watchable. Okay, as long as they are above 329, okay, I think it's still ada potential lah. Okay, just that the volume a bit potong steam only. Okay, maybe the team is not with them, so very hard. Okay, 马股遍地开花，真的开始担心了。Yeah, when you see retailers all making money, then I will start to worry a bit lah. Okay, money is too easy to earn, then a bit worried. Okay, CMSB recover back above 115, 118. Interesting. Okay, so yeah, watchable lah, still okay. At least Thursday onwards they recover back above 115. And volumes ada follow up, momentum ada, so also is a watch list to wash up. And for CMSB, most importantly is 110. Okay, cannot go below 110 only. So today closing 121, right? If happen they can retest somewhere around 118 plus minus, then you can see lah. Okay, need to enlarge the chart to full screen. Too much blue background. Oh, this one this one I need to discuss with the team lah, because not arranged by me. Okay, maybe we can see how to make the presentation, okay, bigger so you can see a clearer picture lah. Okay, last one is a mountain. Okay, at a high volume. Okay, this one, okay, after sideway for so many years, since 2022, sideway until now. Okay, finally, okay, on Thursday they have a high volume pump up. Okay, Friday and today is more neutral, even though today is also high volume, tapi I see nothing. Okay, maybe 50 cents level lah, 495 or 50 cents level, 480. Okay, so if happen they can retest 480 and get supported, I guess it's still alright. Okay, then next resistance 550. Sorry. 550 and 60 cents. Okay, this one technical point of view, I think ada chance. Okay, their last defense is 450 lah. Below 450 memang not nice lah. And if happen they can retest somewhere around 50 cents 480 I guess it's interesting. But their overhead resistance is somewhere around 550 and 60 cents low. Because this is back in 2020, 2021, they're not really able to clear punya level. Okay, 2019 as well, 60 cents level. Okay, 550, 60 cents is a resistance and support. 550 cents, 480, and cannot go below 450 lah. Below 450, memang no game ready. Okay, so thank you everyone for staying up with us, and also apologize if I unable to cover your Q&A because too many already. Otherwise, I will explain until 11 o'clock. Okay, so if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot it now, and later on I will share the watch list into the KIV list or watch list in the Telegram. Okay, then you can play back to our videos and see what I explain. Okay, at least I feel the structure okay punya, I will put in the watch list. Okay, but also no 100%. Also have the chance to kena cut loss lah. Okay, and also thank you today. Thank you Sifu for having me here. Okay, if you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store, and also they do have interactive live charts. Okay, and our our next live session is on Wednesday. Okay, so yep, see you on Wednesday 8:30. Okay, so come in earlier to book your question. Okay, otherwise at the end I unable to cover all lah, or too many already, and also many repeat one. So yep, thank you everyone, and see you on Wednesday 8:30. Thank you.